So this is the new card that I have ordered from Asus, the wireless AC1300 dual band PCIe adapter. As I showed in a previous video, we're gonna do that again. I'm going to check the performance of this after I install it in my desktop. First of all, let's just record this onto this, just to have it for the purpose of this video. We had it for the other one, but I'm just gonna have it for this. Like I said before, what I have in the desktop now, it's a card from TP-Link, the N900, and that's works. I will show you right now. If I go to the network and internet, Wi-Fi, and change adapter options, right now on the 5G band, and the status of it is connected to my internet, to my router at 450 Mbps. Now change this connection here to the 2.4 band, and the status is at 216.7 Mbps. I shall stop this now, and okay, what do we have here? Like I said, this one is from Asus, and I'm going to install it into the desktop, then do exactly the same test on it as before. I'll just save this video, and in the box there's an external antenna base if you want to place your antennas higher. The CD is an installation manual, the little plate for the back of the PC, and also the card. Looks nice. The card with the two antennas. Okay, let's pause this video while I switch off my PC and install this. I'm not going to show you an installation video because I'm sure you can find plenty of them online. The card is now installed, and there it is. And I'm going to use the external antennas for it, just to place them a touch higher for even better signal. So let me put this back on and see how it works. Now the card is installed, its computer is back on, and we're just going to start the recording again. Okay, just record the whole thing. The card is working. As you can see, it is connected, but let's just go to the settings again. Oopsie. Network and internet, Wi-Fi, change adapter option, and right now I'm on the 2.4, and my card is connected at 144. So compared to the one I have that connected at 127, I'm not seeing a great improvement. Let me move these antennas even higher. I have them about a meter off the ground right now, and it is the same thing. I still have 144. Closing this and going to I'm going to go to the 5G network right now. So I'm now connected to the 5G right there, and go back to settings. Now let's see the status on this. 866. Overall a good improvement, I would say. It's almost double from what it was before on the 5G, although on the 2.4G it is a lower rate, but I can live with that. And since this adapter wasn't that expensive at 40 something quid, it is worth it. I'm gonna keep it.